Hey everyone, it's User from Luxury Reports. I'm back. Over my shoulder is the best vehicle Acura makes, the 2019 RDX A-Spec. Let's go ahead and check it out.
No, I am not drunk. Yes, I did say the RDX is the best vehicle Acura makes, and I will hopefully prove it to you in this video. I say that because it does everything so well, and compared to its stiff competition, the RDX just rises to the top. You have a combination of bargain pricing, stellar interior quality, beautiful driving dynamics, and beautiful styling inside and out. Strong character lines grace the side of the RDX, leading to a strong looking rear. You have sculpted rear bumpers, a beautiful set of LED taillights, and a set of twin exhaust pipes. Now we're getting to the best part of the RDX, the motor. The K20 Turbo makes 272 horsepower and 280 foot-pounds of torque, bolted to a 9-speed automatic. This power plant is smooth, powerful, torquey, and punchy. It's great to drive. The interior of the RDX is a testament to interior packaging and engineering. There's space abound, front, middle, and in the cargo area as well. The quality of the material is generally very nice and easy to hold. Is it as nice as a BMW or Lexus? No, not quite. Are you gonna notice? Chances are probably not. Stepping inside the second row of the RDX is nice and easy. The doors are nice and wide. There's plenty of room in the second row. Cargo room overall is large as well. Size-wise, the RDX is pretty much perfect, so great job, Acura. Alright, whoever designed the rear cargo area of this RDX is a genius. It's huge and there's a hidden storage cubby, department, whatever terminology you want to use, that's brilliant. You can fit a laptop bag in there along with groceries. Groceries don't fly around. You have a secure cargo hold that prying eyes cannot see into. You have little levers that will control the rear seats. It's great. I love the packaging of this RDX. As I always say, no car is perfect, and the RDX is no exception. The infotainment is controlled by a touchpad. Granted, it's not as bad as a Lexus touchpad, but nothing is as bad as a Lexus touchpad. It's still awkward to use. You have to take your eyes off the road to see what you're doing, and plainly, I think touchpads are just dangerous. Just give me a knob. Take the touchpad aside, rendering and processing is a little bit slow and sluggish, but at the very least the screen is a decent size and the graphics are very well displayed. Let's go ahead and match this up against the BMW X3 we reviewed a few weeks ago. The RDX has better styling, an exciting interior, a superior all-wheel drive system, and no throttle lag. Whereas the X3, you have stellar interior quality, better steering feel, much better seats, and a superior infotainment system. Overall, I think the RDX wins. It's better value, style, room, and the powertrain is better because there's no throttle lag. go ahead and compare the RDX to some of its brethren in the Acura lineup, the TLX A-Spec. A-Spec has less torque, same gas mileage, less rear legroom, outdated interior, and a woefully outdated infotainment system. The MDX A-Spec, it's $10,000 more expensive. You have the same second rear legroom, same acceleration, outdated interior and infotainment system. You do have a third row, but it's negligible. It's more like a shelf. So overall, RDX wins over those two as well. At the end of the day, the Acura RDX represents the best that Acura can do. And it's amazing, it's comfortable, it's quiet, interior packaging is outstanding, drivetrain is stellar, and it's a bargain. If you're looking for a mid-size luxury SUV, this has to be at the top of your list. Great job, Acura. This is Yusuf from Luxury Report signing off.